Good morning, good morning. All right. Wow, it's been a while. I was overseas for several months. I just got back a week ago, 7 days ago. What I want to do here, I want to see if I can install the SQL Server reporting services. I want to double check on something before I continue. I'm going to go to, let's check, see if I have reporting services installed here. No. Microsoft reporting, Microsoft server. Nope. Okay, good. Okay, good. So what I want to do now, I want to go to actually I want to I already downloaded the reporting services, so let me see if I can show you where I get this guy. So if you type in SQL Server and whatever version that you have, I'm gonna go to down here. Alright. Ooh, that's the wrong one. Let me double check on that one. Oh, that's not Microsoft, so make sure you go to Microsoft. Alright, so we're gonna go to Microsoft right here, this one. Alright, that's a Microsoft website, and that's where we want. So it should bring me up to this guy right here. Alright, so this is where you download it. What I have is the let's see, SQL Server expression. Actually, I don't want that. I want services. So let me try that again. Server. About reporting services. Okay, so let's see if I can find this one. This would be this guy right here. That is the version. So I'm gonna download this guy. Yeah, let's download this guy. And we're gonna save as. And as you know, I already downloaded this guy. You see there? But I'm gonna go ahead and delete that guy and just download a new one. Sure, why not? So that's that. So if we come back to here, you see we got that one downloaded. Alright, so what we need to do here is, let's see, install reporting services, configure your server using report server. So we're going to do two of these things, 1 and 2. Alright, so let's continue with this installation. Double click on that. And then it says install reporting services. And so click on that link right there. And right here, this is where it asks you what you want to do. So I'm going to select the drop down for the Express because I have SQL Server 2022 Express. So I'm going to select that and continue. Accept the terms. And it's ready to install. It's ready to install. So let's continue. And then it asks the location. I'm just going to leave this as default directory. So let's continue. Let's see how long it will take to install this package. Alright, that was not too bad. That was about a minute or little over a minute. So now let's continue with configuration. Alright, we're going to continue with configuration. So let's Well, there are two ways to do this. You could do this one, or I believe you can say, let's see, SQL Server configuration. How about reporting? Let's see. Well, I don't see any reporting app there, so we're just going to configure from here. So let's go configure, and that looks good, and it knows my local database right here. That's a server name. So let's validate this one. I'm going to open up my management. I want to make sure that it knows the server name. See if it's the same. So that is the server name. So actually I need to put an instance here. I think I'm going to copy that. I'm going to try this. So I'm not sure this is the right way. All right. Not sure if that is the right way. So I'm going to put instance right there. I wonder if I can go back. Well, you know what? I'm going to do this and connect. It doesn't allow me to connect. See if I connect from there. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so it found my service express, or it was version 6, I think. So report service status started. We are going to go to the account. We're going to leave these guys as is, virtual service account. How about this guy? Okay, right here I'm going to change the let's see, virtual directory, report server. You know what? I'm going to leave that as is and click apply. And it's waiting for the report server started. Okay, it started. It created the virtual directory. Okay, so that's good. That's good. And now, if I come over here, database, what would happen? Actually, I want to take a look at this guy right here, the URL, see if it looks right. Not sure why it's taking up so long, so we're gonna wait for a minute. Okay, internal error. So let's see, the is not able to connect to the reporting service. So not sure what that is. So I'm gonna come back here and see what's going on. Right here. What if I come back here? It said it started it. Server edition. What if? Nope. Nope. So I'm just gonna cancel that. Not sure why that is. Well, you know what? Let's come to a database. I wonder if it needs a database. And let's change this. See this server right here? Let's see if we can do this. Let's see. Choose new reporting server. choose existing report server. What about existing? Okay, that's a server name. Test. Okay, you could not connect to the server. So I believe if I grab the whole thing here, I want to copy that. Let's get back here. Oops. Try that again. Copy. Paste. There you go. So it needs that instance, the SQL Express, the instance. So not only that it has the server name, but you have to have an instance. All right. So that should have been okay. So that's good. Now let's check out the database we are going to use. All right. Let's go to the next database. Okay, we got a lottery pool. So if I log in from here, there's one database that I have right here. It's called lottery. You see there? So it actually sees my my database, which is good. So we're gonna use that. All right, and let's continue. Okay, the database is not a reporting server, so I'm gonna go back. I think, yeah, I'm gonna cancel this out. Right here, I think we need to create a new database. Okay, so we're gonna create new database. Let's try that. And I'm gonna paste that guy in there. We're gonna create a new database. And let's test out the account. Okay, that's good. And then let's continue. And the database name, I'm just going to put demo right now. This is the first time I'm installing this. I'm not sure. So that will be demo temp. Okay, okay, let's continue. Alright, we're gonna leave this as default. Continue. And that's good. That looks good. So if I'm not mistaken, once you install, you can select different reporting right here. Alright, for right now it's not there because it's squarish out. So let's continue with this one. Okay. So that looks good. It finishes pretty quick. Alright, so I'm gonna finish. Yeah, now I'm gonna come back over here. I think we're gonna be able to connect it now to the web portal. So the virtual, we're gonna leave that as reports. And when we navigate to this guy right here, all we have to do is just type in this URL with the reports there. So I'm going to click apply. So that's done. That's pretty quick. Now let's see if we can click on this guy again, and it should be able to open up the web portal. All right, there you go. Good. That is looking good, and we've got empty reports here because it's a brand new setup. brand new configuration. So I'm just going to go back over here. Let's see. What else? Hold on. Oh, I was going to go back over here. Now, if I switch this guy to reporting service, right here on this 1, 2, 3 on the fourth item, and see how I select here. I can do a drop down list. Let's see if I can browse. See there, I select that. There. Now I should be able to connect to the services. So it's gonna take a while here. This is brand new installation. There it is. Then we got it. All right. So that's pretty straightforward and easy. So we got a report server right here, and that report server points to that the reporting services in the management right here. All right. So the next time I am going to try to attempt to create a report. All right, and that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.